Hey, it's me, Hasba with WTI, and have you ever tried tamarindo or tamarind candy? Well, if you haven't, this is your chance to. These are the chili Rokas tamarind flavor Mexican candies from Jovy, and this is a pack of 21 individually wrapped pieces of hard candy. So that's great. I always say that this type of candies that are individually wrapped in a big pack are perfect when we have kids at home, maybe we have guests and they're craving for something sweet, or maybe they come home unexpectedly and we want them to try something until we get coffee ready. Well, I think candies are always a good option for that. These ones are just great because it is not a common flavor you could find in the store. I love that these have a chili flavor just like most Mexican candies, and it's what makes a big difference among the rest of candies in the world. Chili is really important, and yeah, I really like them. They're tasty, not too sweet, a little sour and spicy. So if you guys want to try out something new, something that is not so common in the market, just like this tamarind candy, well, these ones you should try and I hope you like them, but that's just my point of view.